Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix monetization issues on your Facebook page. So if you're currently having problems with not being able to monetize on your Facebook page and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what we're going to do first is to just open up our Facebook app as you can see, and you can of course do this also on your computer by the way, but for this tutorial I'm going to focus on the Facebook app. So what you need to do first is to come to your Facebook app right here as you can see, and then what you're going to do, you're going to find the menu option. For me it's in the bottom right corner because I use an iPhone, but if you use an Android, it's going to be in the top right corner instead. So just click there, and as you can see you should now be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So now what you're going to do on this page is to just scroll down in here as you can see, and then you're going to click where it says help and support. So click on help and support, and as you can see it should now take us to this page, which is perfect. So on this page we're just going to click on report a problem, so click there, and then once again click on report a problem as you can see, and then we're going to click on include in here as you can see, because it should now take us to this page. Now what you're going to do, you're going to scroll down and then you're going to click on pages in here. So perfectly, you should now be taken to this page. Now what you're going to do in here, you're going to now contact the customer service that works for Facebook that specializes for Facebook pages. So you're going to write like this: I am having issues with not being able to monetize on my Facebook page. And you're going to also, of course, include the name of your Facebook page. So include the name. So I'm just going to write test page. I need this to be fixed. So write exactly like this to the support: I am having issues with not being able to monetize on my Facebook page. You're going to also write the Facebook page name that you have, the correct name. Make sure that you spell it out correctly as well. It's very important. And then I need this to be fixed. Now what you're going to do, you're going to click on send in the top right corner, and you're going to wait 24 to 48 hours. I'm not going to click on send myself because I don't have this issue anymore. It was fixed for me at least, and I don't want to take more of their time unnecessary basically. So I'm not going to click on send, but you need to click on send in the top right corner, wait 24 to 48 hours and try again, and hopefully it will now be fixed for you as well.